Today, I'm going to show you how to use the People tab in SpacesEDU. There, you can easily invite students, family members, and co-teachers, access your own student account, and view engagement stats. With SpacesEDU, it is easy to explore the teacher and student experience from one account, allowing you to view your own class and join a school or district professional development class as a student. Simply click on your avatar in the top right-hand corner to switch between accounts. If your school or district licenses SpacesEDU, you might find that your class is already rostered upon login. If they are not, you can invite your students using the class code, class link, or Google Classroom options. Your students can log in using their email and password, or you can generate a QR code to simplify the student login process. QR codes can be scanned using the mobile application or internet browser. Inviting family members to SpacesEDU is a great way to provide insight into their students' learning journey and establish open communication between school and home. If your district is licensing SpacesEDU, you might find that family email addresses are pre-populated under each student's name. If not, you can simply add them. When you are ready, click Invite Family to send an email invitation to set up their SpacesEDU account and join your class. If you're teaching collaboratively or looking to include additional classroom support into SpacesEDU, you can invite up to 10 stakeholders into your class via the Teachers tab. Now that you've invited students and families into your classroom and have spent time supporting and communicating their learning journeys, use the class engagement dashboard to monitor the level of engagement within the class. Simply click on the dashboard to learn more about how and when students and families are engaging with your class in SpacesEDU. This has been our introduction to the People tab. Now it's time for you to get started.